You are busy plumbing my woman.
Okay, it's madam. Okay, it's madam, man. It's size.
No. It's not true.
Okay, sir.
I slept off.
Oh, morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. I'm the plumber.
Oh, you are the estate plumber?
Yes, sir.
I'm in a hurry. Okay, what you have to do is upstairs. Honey! Just go upstairs. My wife is upstairs. She'll show you things you're supposed to work on. I'm very late now.
Alright, sir. Upstairs.
Yeah, just go upstairs, okay?
Hello?
Yep, who's that? Who's that?
Good morning, ma.
Yes, who are you and how may I help you?
I'm the plumber, ma. Oga told me to come upstairs.
Come in.
Okay.
For you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come and see where the issue is.
Okay.
Oh, wait, that's the. Okay.
Okay.
The water is not moving here.
Okay.
This is the issue.
Okay.
Okay.
Small thing. Something like that.
Also check this other side too.
Alright. No problem. I'll get it done. No time.
Okay.
Alright.
Don't want peace.
Yes, madam. I'm done with it. It's flowing well now.
You're done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there's something else that you're going to help me with.
Okay, as long as it's my work. Madam.
Come on, what's wrong with you?
Madam.
What are you madaming? Stay here.
Madam, this is not the work now.
Are you sure?
Hey, please, now. Don't put me in trouble.
Shut up. What's wrong with you? Shut up and hold me. Stop acting stupid. Hold me well, please. Tighter.
Madam.
Yes.
Madam.
Oga.
Hello.
Ganovis. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How was work today?
Very well.
Oga, sorry for disturbing you. I'm noticing something.
Mm-hmm.
The estate plumber used to enter this house every day. Morning, night. And only your house, they get plumber issue.
Every day.
This house, that's estate plumber, they enter this house. Morning, afternoon, night. I say make I ask you because I like you. Because anytime when you pass here, and you say, did they dash me something? You go like, but see your wife know they laugh and I say in the boom. But anytime when you come out, and they see that estate plumber, in the enter inside this house, knowing you, your house they get plumber issue.
I'm aware he came to work for me. Are you sure every day? Maybe he was going out to go and get something and come back.
Okay. If not to go out and bring something come back, I'm not going to talk. But as I see, I think they enter, they come out, they enter. I'm going to put eye down. Why don't I because I like you, you're a good person, you're a good man. For this estate you hold, you're the best man I've never seen. And I would not like to close my eye. May bad thing happen to you. Let us see. Yeah? But don't talk, I tell you. Just carry your eye down. You could see something. Don't talk, I tell you.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Every day. Every day. What's going? Are you serious? Serious? Hey! Oh, hey! Okay. This is the plumber guy. This lady was actually. So this is what you do every day. Instead of you to come to my house and no wonder everything has been leaking. You don't even do anything. You are busy plumbing my woman.
Guys, madam. Okay, it's madam, man. It's
No. It's not true.
Okay, sir.
I slept off.
Are you serious? This is what you do every day.
No. I slept.
You slept.
Yes.
He mistakenly fell on you.
I slept off. I didn't know when it was.
So I'll go out and be looking for money for us to eat. You are busy messing with the plumber. Who knows who else they are bringing in this house?
No.
Look at the woman I'm marrying.
Sorry.
Look at the time. 5:30 p.m. You are lying down in our matrimonial bed with a plumber. I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed. Oh God. You disgust. Oh, I can't believe this. And I'm sure he has not even done one. Oh God. How can I be in this guy? Look at the white fire.
You get it? Don't get it. Forget about it.